Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to help you out how to choose between Robinhood or MooMoo. And before starting this comparison video, I want to make one thing clear, and that is no platform is better than the other. Both are great, but they are a little bit different. Think of it like choosing between a bicycle and a motorcycle. Both get you where you need to go, but they serve different riders with different needs. So I will tell you with my experience on both applications which differences they have, so you can check it by yourself and choose the correct platform for your goals. So let's start right here with the main focus on Robinhood. The main focus on Robinhood is simple investing and trading. It's built around the idea of making investing accessible to everyone, even if you've never bought a stock in your life. The main focus on MooMoo, on the other hand, is active trading and market analysis. It's designed for people who want to go deeper, study the market closely, and make more informed, data-driven decisions. If you look at Robinhood, Robinhood is the best for beginner investors and traders. If you're just starting out, want to buy your first stock, or simply want to invest without feeling overwhelmed, Robinhood is the perfect place to begin. And MooMoo is the best for active stock and options traders, people who are already comfortable with the market and want more powerful tools to support their strategies. If you go to trading tools, Robinhood has basic charts and trading tools, which is honestly all you need when you're just getting started, clean, simple, and easy to read. And MooMoo has advanced charting, level 2 data, and screeners. Now, level 2 data is especially powerful because it shows you the full order book, meaning you can see exactly where buyers and sellers are lined up, which gives active traders a real edge in timing their entries and exits. If you go to interface, Robinhood has an extremely simple and beginner-friendly interface. Everything is clean, minimal, and easy to navigate, even on day one. And MooMoo has a modern and feature-rich interface, which does come with a bit of a learning curve, but once you get used to it, it gives you a much more complete picture of the market right at your fingertips. Then, if you check right here, the fees and the trading cost, also an important part. Robinhood has commission-free trading, meaning you can buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and options without paying any fees per trade. And MooMoo has commission-free stock trading with advanced data options, so you still get the benefit of no commissions, but you also get access to premium market data tools that many other platforms charge extra for. If you look right here, to a tip that I can give you with my experience, many traders use Robinhood for simple investing, stocks, ETF options trading, and beginner-friendly investing. It's a great place to build your first portfolio and get comfortable with how the market works. And many traders use MooMoo for active trading, advanced charting, level 2 market data, and in-depth market research. Some people even use both Robinhood for long-term, passive investing and MooMoo for more active, short-term trades. That's actually a pretty smart strategy if you want the best of both worlds. So hopefully, after seeing this video, you know exactly right now which platform will fit you the best. If you're just starting out, go with Robinhood. If you're ready to level up your trading game, give MooMoo a serious look. So, yeah, that's it. If you find this video helpful, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.